I'm a savage, yeah. Classy, bougie, ratchet, yeah. Sassy, moody, nasty, yeah. Acting stupid, what's happening? Bitch, what's happening?
So I signed to my leave. Your girl got her own apartment. Oh my god. I feel good. I feel accomplished, even though I'm a broke. But still, I got a whole place with my hard-earned money. So yeah, let me get out of here. I guess we'll be moving in tomorrow morning. So yes, bitch. All right, y'all. So we here again. Again, this is a studio apartment. My first apartment. It is what it is. We gonna upgrade from here. But yeah, for now we got our own spaces. So let's look at her. So this is the main entrance when you walk in. We got the lights on today, so we gonna do the damn thing. Basically, that's gonna be like my entertainment center. Then everything's gonna come from here. We're gonna figure it out. Like I said before, these doors closed. And I need to ask her about this sliding door. If anything, my mom's boyfriend can do it. So this is the kitchen. Refrigerator's coming here. She got a broom bed. So, yeah. And then walk into here. That's the closet area. Might make that like my little desk area, whatever. So I have a little bit of storage for my stuff. And this is the restroom. Small, but enough room to do what you gotta do. Here I come. Yes, hopefully we in here. This restroom's kind of small. It's only me. I'm gonna make it right. I can get a little thing right here. We're gonna see. We're gonna fix it up. Okay. Let me get out here. Let me go home and then rest. Cause I got work in the morning.